Here we have a pie chart and we have to answer some questions. Our pie chart looks like this. Let's see what the question asks. Grade 5 and 6 learners were asked about the type of sport that they prefer watching on TV. Altogether, 72 learners took part in the survey. The results are shown in the pie chart below. And here we've got our pie chart. The pie chart shows us that portion liked rugby, boxing, tennis, golf, and soccer. But our pie isn't divided into equal portions, so I want us to do that first. Let's divide them into equal slices. So I'm going to extend these lines so that we've got all equal portions. There our pie is sliced now into all equal slices. Let's have a look how many slices we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've got 8 equal portions, or 8 equal slices. Question number A asks us, what fraction of all the learners favored watching rugby? And this is very important, which fraction? So we're going to have something out of something else. Let's have a look. The bottom number is always the total number of pieces that our whole is divided into. How many pieces does our whole have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So the bottom number is going to be an 8. Then we ask ourselves, how many of those pieces do rugby have? Rugby has 1, 2 pieces. So the top number is going to be 2. So 2/8 of learners favored watching rugby. And there we've got our answer for A, 2/8. Let's have a look at B. B asks us, how many learners favored watching soccer? And the key here is learners. The previous question asked us for fraction. Now they ask us for the learners. We know in total the whole pie has 72 learners. So let's first write down our fraction. The pie is divided into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the bottom number is definitely an 8. How many of those pieces belong to soccer? Soccer has this piece, and this piece, and this piece. That's 3 in total. So 3/8 of the learners, of the 72 learners, preferred soccer. But again, we need to find out how many learners. Now we've got our 72, but we have to divide that into 8 pieces because our pie is divided into 8 pieces. Let's count in 8s up to 7. I can't do that, so I'll put down a 0. Count in 8s up to 72. I can do that. That's 9. So that means that 9 learners is the same as 1 piece of the pie. Do we only have 1 piece? No, we've got 3 pieces. So we'll have to take the 9 and times that by 3. So 9 times 3 will equal 27. And there we have our answer for B. B is 27 learners. And now for the last question, C. Let's have a look. Which sport types had the equal number of learners who favored watching those sport types on TV? This is quite straightforward. All we have to have a look at is how many of those sport types have the same amount of pieces of the pie. We know that rugby had 2 pieces. They had that piece as well as this piece. We know that soccer had 3 pieces. It's that piece, this one, and that one. Let's have a look at the ones that's left over. There we've got boxing, tennis, and golf. And all 3 of them have only 1 piece. So the answer for C is going to be boxing, tennis, and golf.